today we're traveling to Edmonton, Alberta from Calgary.
So if you guys missed the last video, we have officially taken Skylar on her very first plane ride.
Skylar's first airplane ride. And she looks so happy. Yes. She's so happy.
Traveling from Vancouver to Calgary and then spending a day in the beautiful Canadian Rockies. Wow!
Look at that green lake, Skylar!
Welcome to Lake Louise! This is Lake Louise. So the original plan was to film in Calgary after the Banff video. It sorta just went the other way around. We just decided to have some personal time with the family and just do some last minute shopping at Cross Iron Mills.
Skylar, there's a fishy! Oh my god! Fishy!
Which was still a pretty good time for us.
And also ate some Jollibee with Skylar.
Skylar? What did you order from Jollibee?
Yum burger.
Yum burger? This is the burger right here. Do you remember the last time we were in Edmonton?
Not really. When was it?
It's been so long, I think. We've been having stopovers in Edmonton, the airport of Edmonton, every now and then when we're traveling elsewhere.
That was way back 2017. It's so long ago.
Yeah.
And I think we drove from Winnipeg to Edmonton.
Yeah, when we were still living in Winnipeg, right?
Yeah. That was quite a long drive.
It is a long drive. And especially you're going through the prairies, which is all flatlands.
Do you want to drive?
But it's going to be Skylar's first time.
Yay!
First time in Edmonton.
Edmonton. So if you guys aren't familiar with Edmonton, Edmonton is a city in the province of Alberta, and it's one of the largest cities in the province. It is located north of Calgary, and it takes about 45 minutes of a plane ride.
Skylar's starting to get a little sleepy. So Skylar's just a little bit sleepy because we checked out of the hotel pretty early this morning to go to the airport. Good thing our hotel is just a 10-minute ride to the airport, so it wasn't really that much of a hassle to get there. But the weather here in Calgary for the past few days has been pretty much cloudy, rainy, and I guess that's one of the reasons why we didn't get to explore as much, so we just decided to just go shopping the last day. Also this time around, instead of traveling by Air Canada, we are traveling by WestJet, which is one of the major airlines here in Canada. And one thing that we noticed right away was we weren't able to pick our seats for free. The seats were just assigned for us during check-in, so we're just kind of hoping that we don't have anyone within our row, so we just get to pass Skylar around like last time. But same as Air Canada, we were free to check in our stroller and car seat on the gate.
Skylar's just taking a nap right now. Good thing we found this corner here in the airport where we can just relax and wait for her while she wakes up. But right now it's actually just daytime. The last time we flew to Calgary was during the evening time. And now going to Edmonton, we picked the afternoon flight. We're crossing our fingers that she stays and remain calm during the flight, like last time.
Buddy. Welcome to your second flight, Skylar.
Second flight.
Wow. You're over there. Where is this baby going again? Edmonton? Yes.
So we haven't left yet, and someone felt really warm. Someone is naked. Half naked. Oh, ma'am, please keep your legs to yourself at all times.
Close to Skylar, people will see.
So juicy. Can I take a bite? Oh no. Oh my gosh, those legs. Juicy.
So it's a good thing that the flight doesn't look like it's full, so we get the road to ourselves, and you and I can just move over there. It's pretty open. Do you want to get this rose, Skylar?
It's gone. And it's back. It's back. And it's back again. It's back. Oh, I like it. And it's so good. Hi everybody. Oh no.
Whenever the seatbelt sign is on, your seatbelt must be fastened low and tight across your hips. To fasten, insert the flat ends into the buckle and pull on the strap to tighten. To release, lift the top of the buckle.
So compared to the last flight, we felt a little more comfortable flying with Skylar. We tried to keep her entertained while the plane finishes boarding. That making sure that some of her favorite toys are handy, as well as other interesting items in the plane. But as we're making our way to the runway, this baby felt tired, asked for milk, and napped herself away to dreamland. Let's just say it was a very peaceful 40-minute flight to Edmonton. So we have finally made it out here in Edmonton, but we gotta figure out how to get to our hotel this time because there's no airport shuttle.
Yeah, and I think Skylar was really good in this flight.
Yeah, Skylar.
You did good, huh?
Well, you mostly slept. Skylar, it's a dinosaur. Skylar, welcome to Edmonton! That is just so much different from yesterday. Yesterday was just a complete rain pour of a day. But hopefully, it stays like this during our duration of the stay here in Edmonton. So yeah, we are looking towards our next few days here in Edmonton. If you guys have any guesses on what we're gonna be doing here, leave it down in the comments down below. For now, like this video, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!